launching Complex 14, the Air Force Missile Test Center, Cape Canaveral, Florida. At sunrise on December 17, 1957, the countdown was underway on Atlas Missile 12A.
Attention, please. Personnel should evacuate the area at this time. All personnel not assigned to the block leave the area at this time.
T-minus 130 minutes. From this point on, all pre-flight checks of Missile 12A above stand level were made by remote control from the blockhouse.
During this operation, return to the blockhouse and ready room area.
At T-minus 35 minutes, liquid oxygen transfer was started. More than 13,000 gallons were pumped into the bird.
Minus 430.
9,000 feet from Complex 14, the performance of Atlas Missile 12A was monitored by television, radar, and tracking links.
Minus 4 minutes. Minus 4 minutes. Drifting. No battery drifting in frequency. No go. T-minus 4 minutes. 12:35. No batteries drifting in frequencies. No go this time. There's a go. No batteries, no go. It is drifting in frequency. Go.
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 Elevator quality. Go. What is the status of go back?
No batteries, go. No go due to drifting in frequencies. I'm getting a further reading now. Now, what's low LC status? Minus 3 minutes. What is the count, please?
This is the blockhouse, launching Complex 14.
Minus 230.
Water flow okay for LN2 down.
Inside the blockhouse, the test conductor's console is in the foreground. Key members of the launch team are in front of him, near the television screens. Except for this narration, the soundtrack was recorded from an open microphone at the test conductor's console and from the telephones linking him with the panel operators and the range communication network.
Test telephone switch to arm light on.
Switching command to internal.
Fuel tank pressure 60, lock 25, Gregory. Roger.
Minus 130.
Securing lock tank. Switching to internal DC power.
Minus 125.
Switching calibrating to lock condition.
Minus 120.
Status check. Command on internal.
Affirmative.
Telemetry and launch condition.
Affirmative.
Missile and internal DC.
Affirmative.
Pressurization complete.
Affirmative.
T-minus 60 seconds and counting.
Range safety test selected. Switch to arm.
60 seconds and counting.
Minus 50 seconds. Minus 45. 45.
Status check. Range safety arm light on.
Right. Affirmative.
Range ready.
Ready.
Water system ready.
Affirmative.
I have a prep complete light. Locks tanking secured.
Box tanking secured.
T-minus 27 seconds and counting. All recorders and oscillographs to fast. Vernier start.
Lock star tank pressurized. Ground fuel star tank pressurized.
Come on, baby. Come on, honey. Pick up, babe.
Count.
Minus 10.
9, 8. Ignition. Waterfall flow. Main stage. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10.
Go, honey. Keep going, baby. Keep going, baby.
Recorders.
Keep going. Look at her go, hon. Just let it go.
Look at her go.
Plus 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Programming. Plus 50 seconds.
Altitude 4 miles. Velocity 707 miles per hour.
Plus 60 seconds.
Altitude 6 miles.
Apparently programming very
Velocity 884 nautical miles per hour.
Plus 70 seconds.
7.2 miles. Velocity 1,260 miles per hour.
Plus 75.
1,440 miles per hour.
80 seconds. 80 seconds.
1,650 miles per hour.
90 seconds.
Altitude 14.8 miles. Velocity 2,160 miles per hour.
100 seconds. 100 seconds.
Altitude 18.7 miles. Velocity 2,780 miles per hour.
Good. Link 2 is off. Roger.
Missile 12A is now traveling more than 1 mile per second.
Link 2 is off. Plus 2 minutes.
4,400 miles per hour.
Plus 125 seconds.
4,950 miles per hour.
Plus 130. 130 yards of range, jitter in the beacon.
5,220 miles per hour. At shutoff, Missile 12A was 36.5 miles high and 57 miles downrange.
Who is it?
150. 150 seconds.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Roger. Bacon is still good. Link 1 is getting weak at 160.
T plus 160 seconds, link 1 is getting weak.
Plus 170 seconds.
The beacons are jumping around.
Plus 175. You got the beacon.
Yeah.
Link 1 is getting
180 seconds.
Beacon's out. Plus 3 minutes. Beacon's out, Al.
3 minutes. Beacon's out.
Not at burnout. Go ahead. Give me a call when you lose the beacon, please. Real fine.
Okay, well, this is call 43.
3 still has the beacon. Good. 3's got him.
3 has a beacon.
Plus 200 seconds.
At the same time, GBI has the beacons.
Plus 200. Plus 210.
4 seconds. Beacon's still jumping.
3, how does the beacon look to you? Radar's back on beacon track now, PC.
220 seconds. Radar 4 is back and out of beacon.
They are. Radars are back in beacon track. Station 3 is back in the beacon. Right, I understand you're back in track now. Plus 230. 235 seconds.
How's the track?
3 was momentarily out there, back in now.
How is the track? Good track?
Go ahead. 3, give me a reading on the quality of the track at this time, if you can, please. Roger. Azusa's out. Novap is still tracking well. Station 3 is still on track. Great, all right.
234 now they're in manual.
Go ahead.
Azusa is tracking well. Station
Thank
3
you.
is
Plus
on
260 seconds. Link 1 is out.
track. Same time, Link 1 is out.
3 is still tracking on Novap, testing everything. Plus 4.5 minutes. That's 280 seconds. GBI is in manual track now. 3, say again. Plus 290 seconds. Negative beacon at 3 now. They were in the
Plus 290 seconds, 3 off beacon track.
How about the limit for signal 3? Plus 300 seconds. Taking something back up on radar again. Plus 310 seconds. 3's taking something back up again on radar. They lost all the other for a moment.
Roger, I think you're going to go into it.
320 seconds. Go ahead. Okay, how about the bacon? Ready, thank you. Link 3 at GBI is weak. Link 4 intermittent at this time. Plus 330.
Plus 330 seconds.
Well, that is very poor.
Was that Link 3 and Link 4?
Maximum speed, 5,220 nautical miles per hour. 3 times the speed of a rifle bullet. Total flight duration, 8 minutes, 38 seconds. Surface distance covered, 490 nautical miles. Maximum altitude achieved, 102 nautical miles, or 617,760 feet.
Oh, okay.
There you go. There you go all the way.
The flight of Atlas Missile 12A was an important milestone in the progressive development of the Atlas weapon system.